Labour8 is clever labor cost prediction software that lots of people use to show them how to make a profit in their small business. It runs in the cloud, meaning you can monitor and plan for profit using any device, anytime. Labour8 reveals what you should really be charging to make a profit. It calculates your staff's true hourly rates so that you can focus on making a healthy margin from their efforts. Accounting software cannot do this because it makes future predictions based on history. Labour8 allows multiple users so that you and your colleagues can work at the same time from different places. There is nothing to install. Upgrades are free, and everything is backed up automatically. Labour8 tells you before you agree to a client's job if you'll make money, and it warns you before you make job commitments that you may regret. If you work with an accountant or business advisor, they can help you see the real costs of a job and how to truly make money with your staff. Whenever you need their help, they just log in. Labour8, it shows you how to win.